Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aliff Ruzaimie bin Abdul Majid from J4 EE1115B1. My ID number is 2019266884. So today I want to present about my final year project 2, which is entitled Development of Advanced Water Source Cleaning Machine System, which is river cleaning.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohd Aiman bin Samsul Anuar and my partner is Aliff Ruzaimie bin Abdul Majid. Our supervisor is Dr. Muhammad Farid bin Misnan and our class is J4 EE1115B1. So we will present about our final project, which is development of advanced water source cleaning machine system, or known as river cleaning.
So let's go to the first part, which is the introduction of our project. So the introduction is, water is one of the basic needs that really important for humankind. The aim of this project is to ensure the cleanliness of our water ecosystem from getting dirty. But today, there is a lot of pollution happen in our environment, and one of them are water pollution. Pollution happen because of irresponsible behavior by human itself. So, how to prevent this kind of pollution, especially this water pollution, from continue polluting our water source?
So for the problem statements, water pollution is the big main problem in every country, especially Malaysia. So with this river cleansing machines project, we can first overcome the polluted water caused by the waste on the water. Second, ensure the cleanliness of the water's ecosystem and make sure the aquatic life become much more decent. And lastly, make sure that we live in good and hygienic environment.
So let's take a look for the objectives part, which is to create an eco-friendly waterway system that could keep the river or water surface area clean, and then to collect all trash that floating on the surface of the water. And the third one is to generate new technology and an advanced water source cleaning machine system that can reduce labor's work and also manpower. And the last one is to keep the water source clean and water's activity uncomplicated. Because as we all know, such as fishing activity, if the area of the water clean and there's no trash at all, so that their activity will become much more easy, and then the fish or the aquatic life that they caught will much more fresh and healthy.
For the scope of works, this project made for collecting trash in rivers or water surface by identify suitable components and program subroutine which that required to ensure the motor and sensor of the project work efficiently in transferring information and command. Second, design suitable circuit and descent program for Arduino Uno by using Proteus. And lastly, full system of the project need to be tested as to ensure the system run flawlessly. As if there's flaw, the troubleshooting session need to be done and recheck the installation properly.
So let's go to the methodology part. So as this project, which is advanced water source cleaning machine system that will be programmed by Arduino, the conveyor belt on this machine will be moved by using motor that will be controlled by motor driver. Hence, after all trash get into the trash bin and reach its limit, the ultrasonic sensor will sense and detect them and send signal and data to Arduino. And after that, the buzzer will buzz and the LED will turn on until the bin been cleared. So basically, this is the simple or basic procedure for our project. So if you want to learn more and for more inquiry, we will talk about the procedure much more longer on the flowchart part, and then we will know how it works actually. So for the software part, in this project, which is final year project 2, we only use Arduino IDE and also Proteus software. Same goes as final year project 1.
For our hardware components, for the input, we use ultrasonic sensor. For the controller, we use BTS 7960 as our motor driver, and we use Arduino Uno. For the output, we have light emitting diode LED, buzzer, and our additional components, which is 12-volt lead acid battery, small mini board on-off switch, and power window motor. For our block diagram, so BTS 7960 will be used to control the power window motor, and then for our ultrasonic sensor will be used as the input to know whether the bin are full or not. If the trash bin are full, our buzzer and LED will turn on. If the trash bin is not, then both components will not turn on.
So let's take a look for the flowchart part. So here is the flowchart of our project. So first thing first, we need to start the machine first, and after that we will switch on the machine. After we switch on the machine, the conveyor belt will start rotating and getting support by power window motor. And as soon as the conveyor belt start rotate, it will collect all the trash in the river or water surface. And if the ultrasonic sensor detect the level of trash in the dustbin, which is if the trash level is more than 30 cm, if yes, the motor will stop moving for a while, the buzzer will buzz, and all LED will turn on. And then if the dustbin getting cleared, if no, the motor will maintain to stop moving for a while, and the buzzer will still buzzing, and all LED will turn on again. But if the dustbin been cleared, if yes, the buzzer will stop buzzing, all the LED will turn off, and motor will start moving, and it will go back to conveyor belt and collecting the trash again. But then, if the trash level is less than 30 cm, the motor will still continue moving without getting distracted. And then if we want to end the machine, we turn off the switch and the machine will end. So let's go to the result part for our project. So here, this is the picture of our project. So as you can see here, the first picture is the front view of our project. The second picture is the rear view of our project, which is as you can see, there's the switch button and also the buzzer here, and the connection of Arduino to power supply. The third picture is the dustbin and the LED that we hang on between the dustbin and also our connection on the bottom of our dustbin. So the fourth picture is the ultrasonic sensor that we stick it on the dustbin to detect the trash level. The fifth picture is the from the top view of our dustbin, so that you can see the ultrasonic sensor more clearly. The sixth picture is the connection of our electrical system on the bottom of the dustbin. So here we can see the lead acid battery 12 volt, and also the connection of the breadboard to the Arduino, and also the connection of our output and input of the system. And then the last picture is, you can see that after the ultrasonic sensor detect the trash in the dustbin, so the LED will turn on, and also the buzzer will buzz.
Conclusion and future recommendation. As for conclusion, this project can make our water source much more cleaner than usual. Avoid the extinction of aquatic life either in the pond or the river, and lastly, secure the new technology to become very eco-friendly machine.
So for the future recommendation, I recommend that in the future we need to use better power supply such as solar panel to make sure that the machine will run smoother, and besides that we can go green to save Mother Earth as solar is one of eco-friendly product. And the second one is we need to use a bigger and high quality sensor to detect the trash so that the accuracy of the value taken from the sensor will become much more better. And the last one is for our future recommendation is we need to use IoT so that we can reduce more mankind power to generate this machine.
So this will be our video review of our final project.
So this is our project. This is the conveyor belt powered by the power window motor. So the trash will come up from the conveyor belt, then come to the trash bin, and the sonar sensor will detect it and stop the power window motor, and turn on the buzzer and the LED light. So I think that's all. Thank you.
So the objective is conveyor belt will drag the trash into the trash bin, and the sonar sensor will set the input and turn on the LED and the buzzer.